the experience year in, year out for residents of Lokogoma in Abuja, and I guess for other flood-prone areas, because measures taken, if any, are not only but temporal. In fact, lives have been lost, the recent being a commercial motorcyclist.
The force of the water swept him off from Dogongada to Pengasan. The roads are blocked.
The government should just try and help us do something about it.
We have to sit and wait anytime rain falls.
Sometimes the damages can cut deeper than the broken walls you see. In some instances, the situation can be worse, leaving commuters stranded for hours, a perplexing situation. But then, should we keep waiting for disasters to occur with more lives lost, or should we spend more on buying relief items? After all, isn't prevention better than cure?